Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to put a pie chart in a Google Docs. So let's started. At first, open your Docs file. Firstly, put a pie chart is going to the insert menu option and click for the chart option. Now click for the pie chart option. This chart is currently small. Now click for the chart link chart option. Now for click and click for the open source option. The chart is team 1, team 2 is removed. Bangladesh. Number 2 is India. UK. Now then period is people. Now click for the that's okay. Now send 3 option is D. Temperate. Now click for the pie chart. Then click for the period option and click for the edit chart option. Then click for the setup option. Then click for the now click for the customize option and click for the chart style option. Then click for the background color and click for the chart border color. It's okay. Then go to the United document option and click for the update option. It's okay. Then we show the put pie chart in Google Docs. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.